See that dickhead there? He has just rowed with me and he's on methanol. Go on, start shouting again. There's a group of them all the way along here. There, probably. Fucking good enough for nothings. All the way along there it was. You can't get through there, can you, shitheads? Thought they had the right of way to go in front of me while I was walking, when they got another fucking thing coming. Sorry fella, I've got problems. Bunch of bloody drug addicts. No, walking through there, they thought they had that right of way of walking along, so I'm going to stick the whole lot of them on YouTube. Fucking idiots. I don't fucking care, I go round the world filming gits.